So today we're gonna make a salad and our focus is gonna be on fruit kilometers. So this morning we picked up some local tomatoes and some local cheese. All right.
And more tomatoes.
And more tomatoes over here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our lettuce. So our lettuce is in our Nutri-Tower. So Quinn, can you please get the lettuce? That's right. So grab the lettuce for Daddy. Perfect. So as you can see already, we have a beautiful root structure coming in at the bottom, coming out of our netting pot.
And now it's growing, the tall one.
The tall one is growing. We've already harvested some mature leaves, so now we're gonna harvest the complete plant. So all we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it out, rip it right at the base.
Yeah.
All right.
And this is the stem.
That's the stem of the plant, correct. So now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna rip it up with my hands.
Rip it up, rip it up, rip it up. Oh, it's falling, Daddy.
It's okay, we got it all?
Yeah.
All right, so we gave our salad a quick rinse. So Quinn, you wanna put it inside the bowl?
Sure.
All right, just dump it in there. Good job. Everything, did you get it all out? Get the extra pieces. We're gonna spread it around. Now we're gonna add our beautiful, first we'll add our cherry tomatoes. All right. Oh, Quinn's adding the larger tomatoes. Just gonna spread them around the salad. Then Quinn, help Daddy.
We'll put the cheese.
We'll put the cheese on top. It's okay, I got it. Okay, grab it, let's put it on. Sprinkle it around. Beautiful. All right, you know what it's missing? Can you get Daddy some basil from the tower, please?
Got my hand.
It's okay, we'll wash your hands after, okay? So go get the tower, grab the basil. Perfect. So this plant has been in the tower for about 3 weeks now. We've harvested the plant a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna harvest everything. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for the smaller leaves and I'm gonna harvest the stem right at the tip. Just like that. All right? So I took off the more mature leaves just like that. Yep, okay. I'm gonna bring it back in the tower and let it grow. All right, I have the fresh basil. I'm gonna give this back to Quinn. She's gonna go put it back in the tower as I put the fresh leaves onto the top of my salad. Right here.
Which one?
You can put it back in the same pot. All right, so now we have a beautiful salad topped with fresh basil. We're gonna add a little bit of dressing now. Thank you, Quinn. Sprinkle it gently around on top. Thank you. All right, we're gonna gently mix and enjoy a fresh salad on Canada Day. Oh.